Today I got a GAN Infinity to unbox. Let's take a look inside. So inside we get a card. Okay, this is something else. And we also get an accessories box. Okay, so whatever. And then we also have the cube. So inside the accessory box we get the magnet capsules. So because this one is interchangeable magnet system, so we can change the magnet strength to whichever we want. And I was expecting a GAN Infinity bag, but it came with this GAN pouch, which is kind of disappointing, but whatever. Some GAN stuff and yeah, nothing important there. Yep, we got some logos of the GAN Infinity. They look quite cool. And lastly, we have this thing for the tensioning system. Quite cool. Let's take a look at the cube. It looks very nice. Okay, I chose the stickerless version over the stickered one because I like stickerless more. And here is it. So yeah, and inside is blue internals, as you can see. Blue internals with orange magnet capsule. These don't look like orange, they look like yellow instead. But yeah, it's kind of similar. So I don't know if you can tell, but in reality it looks very similar to yellow. But okay. And it's blue inside, so it looks nice. As for the appearance, it has a frosted plastic. I assume it will go away after a bunch of solves, and the shades are basically just GAN shades. A normal GAN shades, like they come with the 356M, so they are basically similar. Slightly different due to the internals that attributed. So yeah, nothing much different. And the magnets are the strongest one. They replace with the strongest one, so which is quite cool. And so my corner magnetic strength, I selected the strongest one because I like strong magnets, and it feels very stable. I can notice that this XV2 is very stable out of the box. And I chose the smooth lubricant, I think, the feeling, and it is quite smooth, but I do feel a slightly dryish feeling. I don't know why. Probably because of the lubricant they use. It's kind of dry. And so in comparison to the GAN 356M that I have used in a while, it's quite fast, quite nice, and it's well lubricated with a fast lube. So it's quite nice. And you know, this one feels kind of similar but slightly newer, and it's not broken in yet, so we'll see after a while of breaking in. And out of the box is quite good, not gonna lie. And it has my favorite color, blue, inside, so everything just works well in this cube. So this is the internals of it, the pieces. It looks very nice. It has the same color on the the feet of the pieces, and they look absolutely gorgeous. thanks for watching this video. I'll put the GAN site link to purchase this cube in the description, so you can check it out if you're interested in getting one. I have nothing else to say, so I guess I'll end this video now. See ya!